Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to see unsent messages on Instagram. So to do this, first of all, you should go to your Instagram and there is only two options to see the unsent messages. The first one is to check your notifications and be sure that the messages notification are turned on. So in that case, you may find this message in your notification place. And also the second option that you can do is to download your data. And to download your data, you should go to your activity, click on it, and after that scroll down until you find download your information. You click on it and after that choose download or transfer information and choose the account that you want to recover the message of it, and after that go and click some of your information. And after that, scroll down until you find the word messages, check it and click next. And after that, click choose transfer download to device or transfer to destination. So you can put the date range, like when this message was sent. And after that, click on create files. And just wait a little bit until your information are prepared. As you can see, it's in progress now. You can get back after a few minutes and find your information and download them, and maybe you will find these deleted messages. It's not 100% chance, but sometimes you can find the deleted messages. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.